Okay, you need to be aware of two layout elements that you have when working with HTML and CSS, and they're called, I'll just write them down here, there's block level elements and inline elements. These are the two types. They're not complicated, but you just need to be aware of their existence. So here what I'm going to do is surround this word with the B tag, which creates bold text. You'll see here in my code that the bold text that I've created is still happening in a single line, so we're coming across and then we hit a bold word. If I add another one a little bit later on, so let's make this word bold. So you can see there it's all happening in a single line. At this point some of you are probably thinking, isn't bold a style attribute, so why are we creating bold text using HTML? And if you're thinking that, you're right. It's actually better off, generally speaking, if you want bold text like this, not to use the B tag, but just to see how an inline element works. You can see there that everything's in a line. A block level element, and you've already used quite a few of them, such as a heading 1. When you have a block level element, you can see that you create a new line for what you're creating, and what's essentially happening is it's creating an invisible box, a little bit like a div, an invisible box that surrounds that block level element. And what you'll find as you work is that some things in your code are going to be block level elements, creating a new line, and others are going to be inline elements which don't create a new line. It's a simple thing, but it is something you need to be aware of, because as you get further into CSS you'll see that you can access block level and inline elements, and you can actually change a block level to an inline element, and vice versa. You can take an inline element and convert it to a block level element. So you just need to be aware that they're the two sort of key layout elements that exist.